मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, सब्जेक्ट हनीकॉम, स्टैंडर्ड 7th। फर्स्ट चैप्टर हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था 3 क्वेश्चंस। ओके, टुडे फिल अप इन वर्कबुक यूनिट 1 3 क्वेश्चंस। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। Select the most appropriate options as answers and complete the following sentence. Put the letter A, B, C, D or D corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each questions. Okay? क्वेश्चन दिया है, उसमें से हमें 4 बॉक्स दिए, उसमें से एक आंसर सिलेक्ट करके हमें बॉक्स में फिलअप करना है। Now, the king sent messenger thought out his kingdom to. क्या आएगा? Look for wise men who could answer his questions. B. Okay. The king promised to reward the person who would answer his questions correctly with a huge sum of money. The king finally thought of seeking the advice of blank, a hermit. The king dressed like blank when he went to meet the hermit, an ordinary man. Simple सा मैन बन के गया था। In fact, the bearded man was the king's enemy. The king was accompanied by blank when he went to meet the hermit, no one. The bearded man pressed his stomach as both B and C दोनों आएगा. He was wounded in the stomach and he wanted to stop blood flowing out from his wound. Blank was the most important man for the king according to the hermit. The hermit. Okay, see the first का आंसर B, सेकंड में C, थर्ड में D, 4 में B, 5 में C, 6 में C, 7 में D, लास्ट 8 में B. ओके, चलो read the following passages carefully and answer the questions given below them. देखो, in reply to the first question, some say the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others. The right time for every action. Okay, so question देखते हैं. What according to some should the king prepare to do thing at the proper time? According to some, the king should prepare a timetable and follow it strictly to do something at its proper time. See वापस. According to some, the king should prepare a timetable and follow it strictly to do something at its proper time. Okay. Now next, what is the king advised to do after noticing the happenings around? After noticing the happenings around, the king should avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seems necessary at that time. Okay. One man would find it impossible to decide correctly. In this case, what should the king do? One man would find it impossible to decide correctly. In this case, the king should call a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Okay, now next. Pick out the words from the passage with this meaning. A group of selected people, soga council, and beforehand, matlab in advice. Okay. Now next. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spread and said, "Now you rest and let me work." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another, then some went down behind the trees. To you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answers, tell me so, and I will return home. First question देखते हैं. How can you say that the king had been impotent to know the answers to his questions? Impatience. Without waiting a little longer to get the answers to his questions, to Two times the king stopped digging and harshly demanded answers to his questions from the hermit. So we can say that the king had been impatient. Okay, now next. Did the hermit answer the king questions? What did he do then? If you know the hermit did not answer the king's questions. On the contrary, he demanded the spade from the king to do the digging work. No, the hermit did not answer the king's questions. On the contrary, he demanded the spade from the king to do the digging work. Pick out the sentence that revolves the king's irritations. If you can give me no answers, tell me so, and I will return home. This sentence of the king reveals his irritation. If you okay, pick out the similar expressions from the passage. Went on, continued, and fix, stuck. Okay. Now next, say whether the following sentences are true or false. Put right for true and false for in given boxes. The king got solutions to his questions from his wise men. False. The people most necessary to the king, his counselors and priests. False. The king went to the hermit to get answers to his questions. It's true. The king called the hermit to his palace to get answers to his questions. False. This hermit gave the answers to the king's questions by giving practical example. Is false. See the answer. First false, second false, थर्ड ट्रू, फोर फॉल्स, उसके बाद लास्ट है वो ट्रू. क्वेश्चन बाद में देखते हैं, पहले वोकेबुलरी देखिए. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स एंड कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट. ब्रैकेट में लिया है लिफ्ट, सिंपल, बॉडीगार्ड, वुड, ऑर्डिनरी एंड रिच. सो फर्स्ट में क्या आएगा? द हर्मिट लिव इन अ ब्लैंक विच ही नेवर लेफ्ट, सो वुड. ही शो नो वन बट ब्लैंक पीपल, कैसे आएंगे? सिंपल पीपल. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. कैसे clothes? Ordinary clothes. Before he reached पहुंचना the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Okay? First में wood, second में simple, थर्ड में ऑर्डिनरी, उसके बाद रीच, लिफ्ट एंड बॉडीगार्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, रिटर्न स्ट्रक वाइज अनदर ग्राउंड एंड क्वेश्चंस. 1 hour passed, then another the sun the sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spear into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Okay, अभी ये करते, replace the underlined words, selecting the most appropriate options from the brackets and rewrite the sentence. She can't go out to work because she has to stay at home to care for her elderly mother. So first का आंसर क्या आएगा? She can't go out to work because she has to stay at home to take care of her elderly mothers. She can't go out to work because she has to stay at home to take care of her elder mother. Second method, two boys came upon a man claiming to have a magical bean for sale. So the two boys meet by chance a man claiming to have magical beans for sale. The two boys meet by chance a man claiming to have magical beans for sale. Okay, third. After years of not speaking, Ranu finally made peace with her sister. So, after years of not speaking, Ranu finally reconcile with her sister. The child asked for a glass of water. The child demanded the glass of water. ओके, इसके लिए ना अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो क्वेश्चन आंसर बाकी है वो फिलअप करेंगे. देख लो ये ध्यान से. अंडरलाइन किए वर्ड हमने चेंज किए, ब्रैकेट्स में से जो वर्ड्स उसके साथ होते हैं वो हमने लिए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. देख लो ध्यान से, कुछ छूट ना जाए. Okay, complete.